Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the units for self-learning, and it can be also called as the non-evaluative part of your syllabus that you are going to not study. Totally we are going to have 6 lessons. Out of these 6 lessons, first which is web technology, nothing has been deprecated from it. The second lesson that you are going to study, which is digital marketing, and in digital marketing you are going to exclude the following topics that has been discussed over here. So in the second column, in the third column, you could see that Mr. Suhas, from that particular point up to have a nice day, you are going to have the syllabus part. So the total content that is not going to be for your examination, which is going to be evaluated part for you, has been mentioned here in the column 4th, which is from column number 1, page number 37 to column number 2, page number 38, which is the last line of the chapter. So remember that, make it clear to you that lesson number 2, digital marketing, you are going to study the syllabus excluding column number 1, page number 37 to column number 2, page number 38. Then the next lesson is the computerized accounting with GST. Here in computerized accounting with GST, you are going to have excluded the following topics. The following topics are excluded, which are mentioned here in the column number 4, which is page number 46, column 2 up to figure 3.7, accounting flash screen up to page number 50. So exclude page number 46 to page number 50. You are not going to study this particular part of lesson number 3, page number 46 to page number 50. And the second topic, which is 3.5.7, which has been excluded, is input tax and output tax, which has been mentioned here in your textbook, page number 56, column 1. Then the next topic that has been excluded is 3.5.8, ledgers pertaining to GST for supply of goods. Here it is mentioned on page number 56, column 2. So right from page number 46 to page number 50, and then page number 56, column number 1 and column 2, these are the topics that you are going to exclude, which means these are units for self-learning, non-evaluative, that is, they are not going to be there for your examination. So it is up to you whether you want to study, or if you don't want to study, you can exclude it from your study. So in chapter number 3, computerized accounting with GST, exclude page number 46 to page number 50 along with page number 56. Then the next topic is lesson number 5, database concepts using LibreOffice Base. Here in LibreOffice Base, you are going to exclude page number 83, column 1 to page number 84, column 1. The topics that has been excluded are screen of base, consist of following parts, starting from that up to the particular object, which is on page number 83 to column 1, page number 84. Then the second topic that has been excluded from lesson number 5 is editing a record in the table. The steps are as follows. From this to click on yes button to delete it permanently, which is on page number 87, column 1 and column 2, page number 87. And the next one is steps to create report in design view, which is mentioned on page number 91, column 1 to page number 93 up to figure 5.10, print view of the report. So the contents that has been excluded for lesson number 5, make it marked on your textbook, page number 83, column 1 to page number 84, column 1, page number 87, column 1 to column 2, and page number 91 from column 1 to page number 93 up to 5.10 of the particular lesson and particular page. Then the next lesson that you are going to study is the enterprise resource planning. In enterprise resource planning, you are going to have the following topics excluded. Excluded means that those topics are not there for examination. You don't have to study them. If you wish to study them, you can study. If not, if you don't want, you may omit or you may exclude it from your study. So what are those topics? It is lesson page number 104, column 1 to page 105, column 1. Then next is page number 106, column 1 to page 106, column 2. So these are the topics that have been excluded.